Yeah, I'm back, baby. You know I'm black. I mean, you know I'm back. I mean, you know I'm back. Welcome back to the Minute Hustle. I am Jaden. I know you know me, and I know you know me, yeah? And today I'm bringing you another bad boy hustle tip. Oh my days, I shouldn't even call these tips. They're like short movies, man. I'm giving you like nice little short movies about how to hustle. But yo, this one came across my mind, and I was clubbing, right? I was clubbing last Saturday, yeah? No, last Friday I was clubbing. How many times I say it? I was clubbing. So I was clubbing, yeah? No, but real talk, I was clubbing, yeah? And I went into the toilets, and I know you've seen them guys, then they're always African guys as well, they're always my brothers. You walk in, and you just see them with their perfume all over the side. Like this video straight away if you've seen that, because I know you've seen that. I see it all the time. And I was in there and I didn't even want no perfume, but it's one of them ones where you walk in but you ain't got no choice. You have to take it because they're looking at you the whole time. You're like this, and they're standing in the corner looking at you like this. They're looking at you like... So you have to tip them. And I'm like, oh man. Sometimes I try to hold my wee in the whole time. It just doesn't work. So man was in there, tipped the guy. I thought, know what, tip him. Let me get some of my fragrance. Because you know, my man's always got my fragrance in there, that Versace, boy. Sometimes that Millie as well, about the Versace's me, boy. So I tipped him, took out the Versace, sprayed it all over. That was nice. I walked out, yeah? And I was like, oh my days. And I thought to myself, I need to make a video on this. But look, before I tell you the story, this is what I call... I've run out. The perfume hustle. I stood there and I thought to myself, people could be doing this, but better. I know it sounds crazy, but look, check this, right? And it's a shame because I don't even think those guys have caught on yet. I know they're doing a little club thing, but if they thought like how I thought, oh my God. So I thought to myself, imagine if we, the real people, imagine if we just took some of our favourite fragrances. Now I know there's a lot of women out there that have got bag loads of fragrances, all the name brands as well. Guys too, you know, I see one of my boys had like Dupe all up in his house. Man had Versace. Man was stingy with the Versace as well, you know. I swear to God, he's stingy, man. But he had it all. And I just thought to myself, man, why can't we just bust out in the street? Because we're hustlers, yeah? My mini hustlers. Why can't we just bust out in the street or any kind of shopping mall? Do you know how many people are in the shopping malls? I swear to God, just inside them shopping malls in a day, you can probably get 1,000, 2,000 people. More maybe. People go shopping every single day. Them shopping malls are packed. Now hear this. This is how you drop it. You get your favourite fragrances, yeah? And you take your fragrances, you can bring one of your friends along if you want for the journey. They can help you hold it, or you can hold it any way you want to do it, yeah? But this is how I do. I just grab up my fragrances, I would hit the road. I would check out them malls, because you know them big shopping malls. They got like Top Man up in there, flipping all the kind of shops there for women, River Island, New Look, H&M, all them kind of shops. I would just bust into them places, and I'll do a quick one as well. Just stand there like that and be like, and just be like, hey, would you like a quick spray? No, I'm not saying you stink, like, but listen, I got all these fragrances, I can make you smell nice. Not 20p, man. You can even make a little stand. Let me do my button up. Keeps popping. You can make a little like stand as well, or anything, or just like have a little paper thing saying 20p. 20p per spray. People will love that, man. You know how many times I'm walking in those places and I think to myself, oh, if only I smelt nice. You don't know why people are going out, by the way. A lot of people could be going out to meet other people, other friends, other family relatives, going on dates. People go out for all reasons, not just shopping. So sometimes they forget. You know how many times I've walked out on a date and I forgot to spray myself? And I think to myself, man, where's that toilet guy? So imagine if that toilet guy was on the street. Hey, no spray, no lay. No gash, no slash. No, what is it? No splash, no gash. No money. I'll let you finish that one. Imagine if he was on the street or someone like him that was more, you know, well presented, someone that looks good. Because I'll tell you what, there's so many beautiful women out there and they got all the Gucci's, the Beyoncé's and all them other kind of name brand kind of thing there. All them kind of fragrance there. And they're just sitting in their room on their side just looking pretty. Man, do something with that, man. Look, this is how I would drop it. I would just print off one quick little paper saying 20p per slash. 20p per splash. Or whatever you want to call it. 20p for a spray. Or smell nice for 20p. Yeah, that sounds nice. Smell nice for 20p. And listen, do you know how many people will come up to you in the streets if you're holding that and you've got your nice fragrance and they're looking at your fragrance? Man, they will just do it. Look, 20p might not sound a lot to you, but you imagine you walk past 5 people, 20p is £1. 50 people is £10. Yeah? 500 people, and like I said, there's easily 2,000 people a day. So if you're looking at just taking 10% of that, just 10% of those people, or just over 10%, 250 people a day, and I know you could knock that out. I could knock that out. I could knock out all 2,000. But you just took out just over 10% of the people a day, yeah? Spraying them, just collecting these 20s. And some people might just tip you. They might say, oh, look, take the 50p. Just take £1. Just take the 50p. Oh, look, there's 2 20s. Oh, look, there's a 30p. They might just tip you because people are like that. Just tip you some more money. But let's go on the basis they're just giving you your 20s, yeah? And the 10%, oh, you're looking at £50 easily. Easily, maybe more. Because if five sprays at 20p is £1, 50 sprays would be £10. So 500 sprays, yeah, or 500 people would be £100. 500 sprays would be £100. When you think about it, really, that's mental. 500 sprays could give you £100. That is mental. So you only need half of the 500 to make £50, which is roughly 250. Can you see where there's money to be made now? My button keeps on. No, I'm just gonna leave it open. But can you see how there's money to be made now? Seriously, guys, this is mad. It's not hard to go into these shops. It's not hard to walk on Broadway. Now, if you live in London, you have the shopping malls inside and you have Broadway outside. Oh my days. There's money to be made. Places like Brighton. Brighton has a Broadway outside, loads of shops, and then inside shopping mall. Oh my God. If you live in these places, you can make money all the time, every day. Oh, you imagine you did that you know what? I need to jump into the numbers with you. So check this, right? Which way do I go? This way? That way? Or should I do it this way? Where do you want to sit? I'm gonna do it this way. So check this, right? Yeah? Let's say you bust into your shopping mall, right? And you took your fragrances, yeah? To be honest with you, in an hour, you could probably knock out 100 people or 200 people within an hour. I could definitely knock out 100 people within an hour. What? People come up, you want to spend 20 pits? You want 20 pits? Oh, thanks for the tip, 50p. You can knock it out quick. Trust me. So, you know, I can definitely see people knocking out 100 a day. 100 in an hour. I can definitely see people knocking out 100 in an hour easily. So, you know, 2.5 hours, that's it. That's your target done. That's 50 quid done. 2.5 hours. So, I've already just told you, haven't I? But anyway, you did this for 2.5 hours a day. Yep, I just told you. That is £50. Boomba. Moving swiftly on. Before I talk about 10 days, 2.5 hours is not a lot in a day, you know. You could probably do this for 5 hours a day if you wanted. That's part-time for some people. It's part-time. Even if you did it 5 hours a day, because I would knock this out 5 hours a day if I weren't doing all my other stuff. 5 hours a day, you could be making £100 easy. That's double that profit there. Yeah? Damn, think about this one, seriously. But look, you did this over 10 days on the bare minimum of the 20p's, doing 2.5 hours a day. Over 10 days, you're looking at £500. Boomba! This is serious, guys. It's absolutely serious. Oh my God. And again, this is talking about 2.5 hours a day. That's not a lot. You've got the rest of your day to do whatever you want to do. Listen, people, if you're a good looking woman or you're a good looking guy, people will love you in the street, man. I'll come to you every day. What's your number? I will find you. I will find you. You get them African guys getting pissed off. What are you doing? No, you're stealing my business. No, I will come to the street and find you. If I catch you doing this. They will get pissed off, man, because they're seeing you're taking their business. Not only are you taking your business, you're doing it in style as well. Trust me, come out looking all nice and clean, smelling all kind of nice. They will just get pissed. So you did this over 30 days, which is a month. You were looking at £1,500. Bomba. And that is just based on 2.5 hours a day, guys. This is mental. When you really think about it, it's mental. How you can make some serious money just spraying people. Again, what do you do? What do you do? Oh no, I clean the toilet. Ah, you clean the toilet. Okay, clean it. And what do you do? Ah, you do that. What is it? Oh, okay, you do it. Ah, okay. What do I do? Ah, I spray paper. I spray paper. Because they don't say people, they say paper. I spray paper. How much do I make? Ah, don't worry about it. Because they'll be like, bruh, man, this guy is spraying people and making 1,500. That's just on 2.5 hours a day. Mental. So guys, if you like this one, please smash my like button. Give me 10 likes. Why not? Give me 10 likes. That's cool. 10 likes. I know you can give me 10 likes. There's 180 subscribers now. So thank you for that. But give me 10 likes. I want 10 of you just to like it, yeah? Oh shit, hold on. 10 of them on my own account. I make fake accounts to make me look like I got more subscribers. How dull am I? 10 likes, yeah? And make sure you smash my subscribe button, which I'm gonna bust in this corner. I'm busting it there. And click my notifications bell as well. It's there somewhere. Click it so you don't miss no. Peace.